TG2205D and TG2208D belong to intelligent management switches. 5 gigabit ports and 8 gigabit ports are provided, respectively. Superior performance, metal shell, small and delicate design. Can be placed in the weak current cases such as narrow space, applicable to the SMB network, monitoring network scenario, etc. In addition, the switch supports 6 kV lightning protection, outdoor applications more stable. More importantly, the switch also supports app management and cloud web platform management. Remote management and maintenance such as checking port status. Configure and modify VLANs. Set client type. Network failures can be resolved remotely. One click to enable loop guard and DHCP snooping. Learn more functions, please download CloudFi app.